How to turn off location sharing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. And now let's jump right into the video. So go to settings and here scroll a little bit down and go to privacy, and here please click on privacy, and here click on location or tab on location services, and here please select share my location and tab on share my location. And from here we have share my location, share your location family, and please, if you have it turned on, please turn it off. And now you turn off share my location on your Android. Thank you guys for watching this video. If I helped you out, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching and take care, and I'll see you in the next video.